Hello guys, I'm Yang, the vertical team leader from Hikvision team. I'm here to talk about our parking solutions we have at Hikvision. In our parking solutions, we can provide entrance and exit control, indoor parking guidance, and outdoor parking guidance solutions. For the indoor parking solutions, we can provide the better solution to help the drivers are guided to an empty space by the colors of the cameras. And also there is a display to show the directions and the empty space total numbers to help the drivers easier and quick to find available space. There are two models of our parking guidance cameras. One is single lens, another is the dual lens, with adjustable lens to cover the maximum 6 parking space by one camera. And a smart algorithm is built in the camera, can directly provide the status with the fast recognition for the drivers. With our parking guidance solutions, we can provide a lot of benefits, both drivers and operators. For the parking operators, our solutions provide more efficiency, easy installation, and maintenance to reduce their operation cost, and multiple parking analysis report to improve their turnovers about their parking operations. And for the drivers, we can improve the efficiency and easier and faster to find their space. And after that, we can also provide the faster car finder service for them to really fast find their car to provide a better overall experience.